Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see over here, Bank Nifty closing pretty bullishly over here, closing up almost 2% for the week, but Nifty on the other hand, closing slightly lower for the week. So, will the markets move up from here or will the markets move down, right? That's the biggest question. And a lot of you might be in a bit of a confusion as to where the market is going to go. So, let's understand what the market has done this week and what the market will do in the coming week. Now, if you see over here in the previous week over here, markets tried to consolidate over here in the previous week, and then the markets also gave a fake breakout, you can say over here. But on Friday over here, Bank Nifty just gave a very good recovery over here. So this is indicating that the market is still not ready to go down over here. Probably the market will move up, because if the market had to go down, market would have gone down from here only. Why am I saying so? Is because if you see, this was a resistance and the market tried to break it over here. Market did break it. So a lot of buyers would have entered, and that's why if you see, when this breakout failure happened, market should have gone down very fast from here, but that has not happened. If you see, markets have again started to move. That means market is still not ready to go down over here. So I hope you guys understand that one thing. Another thing is that HDFC Bank's results are out and the results are looking pretty good, which means that tomorrow HDFC Bank can open with a gap up and continue to be strong, providing Bank Nifty with even more strength on the upside. So that means as of now, Bank Nifty is not looking like it is trying to go down. At the same time, if you also look at the FNO data, pros have squared off all of their most of their call shots, and they've also come into put short now. That means they are also becoming bullish over here. They've also become bullish on Friday. And talking about Nifty over here, Nifty is still not as bullish as Bank Nifty. If you see over here, Nifty's candle is still red for this week, whereas Bank Nifty's candle was bullish, green for the week. One thing that you need to look out for in Nifty is that if you see, this is an head and shoulders pattern. I'm sorry, and Nifty tried to break it over here, right? If you see, but Nifty went up and closed again above the neckline over here. Now this means that Nifty can give a breakdown failure over here, and if that happens, you will see a very fast move in Nifty till 25,800 on the upside. So how will we know if this is a breakdown failure or just a pullback? Very simple. If Nifty closes about 25,000, okay, be it on Monday, be it on Tuesday, any day, if Nifty closes about 25,000, then it looks like we can easily take a bullish trade till 25,800 on the upside. I hope you guys understand that, because what will happen is that you keep this in mind. One thing is that whenever the market has to give a very big move, it will trap everyone and then it will give you a big move. If you see over here, market was moving in a higher high, market broke this swing. A lot of people would have kept their stop losses below this swing on a positional basis, and then the market started to move up right after taking these guys' stop loss. And there are many other examples. You can say this was also sort of a, you can say, a trap that was made over here, because anybody who would have taken a bullish trade, let's say over here with a stop loss over here, the stop loss was taken and then the market started to move up, right? And there are many other examples, like over here. If you see, this was a very good support, right? And market, if it had to move up, if you see over here, same thing happened. Like over here, if you also see, the situation over here is not looking very good, and the same thing over here also was the case in 2023, where the situation was not looking very good, right? Everybody was expecting that Nifty will go down, but if we see, Nifty broke this support over here, took everybody's stop loss, or made everybody believe that Nifty is now going in a downtrend, and then just look at this rally that started, which went from 19,000 to all the way up till 21,000, right? And this was a straight rally on the upside in Nifty. So what I want you guys to understand over here is that if Nifty closes about 25,000 over here, chances are that we will see a very fast move, first of all, till 25,800, and then we can also see a new all-time high being made in Nifty. Please keep that in mind, because if Nifty closes about 25,000, what will happen is that this will be a breakdown failure, and that means a lot of sellers who would have sold over here or who would have made a selling position anywhere over here will be forced to exit, which means there will be short covering happening in the market, because of which the market will move up very fast. First target can easily be 25,800, and then we can also keep a target of all-time high. But as I said, that we need a closing about 25,000. Now the way the data has come, FNO data, it is indicating that markets are looking pretty bullish, and the way the pattern has been made in Bank Nifty also, it is not looking like Bank Nifty is in a mood to go down over here anytime. So what we will do is we will take a buy on dip stance in Nifty, in both Nifty and Bank Nifty also, but in Bank Nifty especially, because Bank Nifty is a much more bullish participant as of now, or sorry, not participant, but a much more bullish index as of now. So the best place to take a bullish trade in Bank Nifty will be 51,800 to 51,600, this area over here, or you can also say 51,800 to 700, basically 51,800. This area over here will be a very good area to take a bullish trade if market gives you a dip over here. Now most probably, as I said, that HDFC Bank results are good, so most probably we should open with a gap up near 50 to 500 or somewhere over here 50 to 400 also. A 1% gap up in Bank Nifty is not really a big deal at all if HDFC Bank results are good, right? So however, if let's say we open flat, or if we open with a slight gap down, let's say market didn't like HDFC Bank's results, and so we open with a slight gap down, then we will not go bearish, straight up over here. We will not go bearish. We will only go bearish if we close below, I'm really sorry, not close, but if we go below 51,000 over here, because if we go below 51,000, then that will mean that this is a pullback over here, and markets will then continue to move down over here, right? So what we need is, first of all, a closing below 51,000. This candle's low that you're seeing over here is very crucial over here, okay? Mark this candle's low over here. This candle's low of 51,000, exact 51,000 will be very crucial. If we go below this low, then that will mean that the markets are now going to become bearish, and then we can keep big targets on the downside. But as of now, markets are telling us to be bullish, so we will continue to be bullish, okay? So as I said, the first level will be 51,800 to 600, and the second level will be 51,500. Actually you can say 51,500 to 51,400, okay, this area. So there are multiple supports on the downside where markets can take support, but the most probable support looks like 51,800, from where the markets can take a pullback and continue to move on the upside, okay? If we open with a gap up on Monday, let's say somewhere near 50 to 600, 500, all these levels, if HDFC Bank results are very good, then what we need to see is any sort of a seller trap that is being made. So let's say markets make the low, this is the first 15-minute candles low that the markets make. If the market is breaking this low and again coming back and making a higher high above this low, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here, because a lot of sellers will be trapped to sell below the first 15-minute candles low, and then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here at higher levels itself. Why am I saying is that you can take a bullish trade at higher levels itself is that many times when HDFC Bank's results are good, right, or even when they are bad, the market, Bank Nifty does not come down at that point. It continues to move up, and it most of the times does not go to fill the gap on the downside. So this can happen in Bank Nifty tomorrow also, where Bank Nifty does not fill the gap and continues to move up, okay? So I hope you guys understand that. And then on a positional basis, our first target will be 53,000 on the upside, and then we can actually, it will be till 52,900, because there is the gap will be filled over here. And if this level is then broken, then we can easily keep a target of 54,200 to 54,500 also on the upside, basically a new all-time high over here. And I will not be surprised if Bank Nifty gives a very straight rally from here, as well as Nifty also starts a very straight rally. All we need is a confirmation in Nifty, and as I said, that confirmation will come once we close on a daily basis about 25,000, because 25,000 is now a very crucial level. A lot of people will be forced to exit their short positions if Nifty closes about 25,000, because a lot of people have made their short positions in these last candles over here only, thinking that the market is about to break down, so let's make a position over here itself. So they will be forced to exit if we close about 25,000 on the upside, okay? So one thing that you can do, one good trade that you can take over here is that if we close about 25,000, right? If we close about 25,000, you can go ahead and buy a call option, an OTM call option of 25,400 or 25,500, which is whose expiry is like not this week but the week after that. So what do I mean by that is that if you go and look at the expiry, right, the next expiry of Nifty will be on 24th, and after that it will be on 31st. So what you can do over here is that buy Nifty's OTM call option of 24,500 or 24,400 of 31st October expiry, and then you can easily hold it till the target of 25,800. You can get a very good move on the upside, very good risk to reward in that option over there. You can do this option buying trade, and this will be a positional trade, right? And then you can keep a stop loss of 24,800 or till zero, right? However, however much risk you want to take. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. That will be a very good trade that you can take in Nifty. Now for Bank Nifty, the problem is that the Bank Nifty has already moved up, so giving a call option trade over here is not really as beneficial as Nifty, because Nifty has not started to move up. So once Nifty starts to move up, then you can easily get a very good gain in your call options. So I hope you guys understand that. Now for Nifty, let's go into 15-minute chart and see where exactly can you take a bullish trade. So for Nifty, the best place to take a bullish trade will be 25,000, 24,750 to 24,700, because as if you see, Nifty broke this resistance by opening with a gap down, then moved up and continued to move. So this will again act as a support over here. So now what we need to do is very simple. If Nifty comes down over here, let's say it opens with a slight gap up, anything comes down over here, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade in the area of 25,750 to 700. This will be a very, very good area to take a bullish trade with a target of 24,850 on the upside. This will be an intraday target, but you may also get a much bigger target easily till 24,960 also in intraday itself. Please keep that in mind, because whenever market traps anyone, be it a seller or a buyer, market will move very fast over there. So you can easily get a target of 25,000 or 24,960 also very easily over here on an intraday basis. So I hope you guys understand that, and I hope you guys understand what you have to do if you open with a slight gap up or even flat and go move down over here, right? If we open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 25,000, because HDFC Bank has a good weightage in Nifty also, very good weightage in Nifty also. So if you open with a very good gap up over here, right, then let's say somewhere near 25,000, then we will not take a bullish trade over here instantly. What we will rather do is let the markets come down near 24,900 to 24,850. In this 50-point range, once we start to see that the market is starting to take support, then we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. First target will be 25,000 on the upside. Then you can also keep bigger targets, but I think you should book your profits. If you are taking an intraday trade, I think you should book your profits near 25,000 and not go for more profits on an intraday basis, right? But if you want to hold your positions for 1 or 2 days, you can also hold it till 25,200 on the upside. I hope you guys understand over here what you have to do. So yeah, guys, that was it for today. And I hope you guys understood what you have to do for the next week, what you have to do for tomorrow, and how will the markets react in the coming week. As I said that if this is a fake breakdown that Nifty is making, then you will see a very fast move over here, at least till 25,800 on the upside. So as I said that if we close about 25,000 on a given day, then you can buy a call option of 25,400 or 25,500 on the upside, right? And you can easily hold it till the target of 25,800. But as I said, don't buy a call option of 24th October expiry, rather buy a call option of 31st October. Another thing that I want you to remember is, just because I am saying that buy this call option, buy that call option, doesn't mean that you will blindly buy that call option. Okay, always look at what your risk to reward is coming out to be when you're taking that trade. Okay, in the live market, we don't know how much the premiums price will be or all that stuff. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you guys if if this premium is favorable or not. But if you see that the market is going up, and as I said that you can buy a call option over there, don't buy it blindly. Okay, wait and watch. Okay, wait and see like how is the premium behaving first of all, and then is the risk to reward favorable. Okay, by the time this premium comes near 25,800, how much will be the price of that premium and how much will be my risk right now? Don't take any sort of a trade blindly just because someone says that it is a good trade. So hope you guys understand that. But yeah, I guess that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.